Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDC from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your USDC securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device and that you're logged in. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other blockchains, so double-check that your USDC is in the right network, like Solana or Ethereum, depending on where you hold it. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to the Assets section. Locate your USDC balance. It should be listed clearly. If you don't see it, ensure you've added the token manually if needed. Next, head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet section and select the option to deposit USDC. You'll need to copy the wallet address provided. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any mishaps. Remember, in 2025, Crypto.com might have enhanced security features, so verify the network matches your Phantom Wallet, such as Solana for faster transfers. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, click on the USDC asset and select Send or Transfer. Paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check for any gas fees or network costs. These can vary based on blockchain congestion. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security measures, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once approved, sit back and wait for the transfer to process. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, this could take just a few minutes, but always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. A quick tip: always double-check addresses to prevent scams, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, Crypto.com support or Phantom's help resources are great for troubleshooting. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDC from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. It's a simple process that keeps your assets moving smoothly. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.